In a small, forgotten town, an artist named Lydia became obsessed with her latest creation, a portrait of a hauntingly beautiful woman. With every stroke of her brush, Lydia felt an inexplicable connection to the painting, especially to the woman's eyes. They seemed alive, glimmering with untold stories and secrets. Nights turned into days as Lydia worked in a frenzied state, painting until her hands trembled. Soon, whispers filled her studio. Soft, insistent voices that echoed from the canvas, urging her to look deeper. She resisted, terrified, yet drawn to the allure of those painted eyes. One stormy night, she succumbed, staring into the depths of the portrait. The eyes shifted, the painting rippling as if it were a window to another world. Lydia gasped, and the whispers intensified, pleading with her. Then she felt cold breath against her neck, a chill that seeped into her bones. In a moment of panic, she stepped back, and the painting cracked, the woman's gaze locking onto her. The room darkened, and Lydia realized with horror that the woman was no longer confined to the canvas. As she turned to flee, the painted eyes bore into her soul, and she vanished, leaving behind only the portrait, a perfect reflection of her fate.